Yes, last class we were discussing about height. Last class we were discussing about Hibernate positional parameters. So from employee, where employee ID greater than positional parameter here, this positional parameter value I am sending it from here, set long, so that I can fetch the data from the database of second row. Is it clear? Run the application. We already discussed a positional parameter. On today's class, we'll discuss about named parameters. So there is a data in the second row, it is displayed over there. But 2 records wide is coming. That's what my question is. Last time also we discussed about same thing. We'll see how the positional parameters work, how the named parameters work. What is named parameter? Named parameter will be any name which will be given in the query instead of question mark. In the place of question mark, I am going to provide some name. As part of real-time scenarios, we are going to use named parameters. Number, I just see here, I provided this one and number. In the place of set long, I can provide like this. Is everybody able to see my screen? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Chetan.
Okay. Now I am passing the first column in this line so that automatically it will go and fetch the data from the database for first record. Right click and run the application. Let me see my database, what is there in the first row. Can you tell me the query name? Someone? Employee, right? So what is the first record?
Chaitanya.
Now I'll run the application. Once you run the application, you should go and fetch the data from the database for the first column. Pavani and Chuna. Why it is fetching like this? Because as part of database, first column is there. If you see here, as part of database, the column is first column is Pavani. So first column is Pavani means 1 second. So what is the query we are fetching here?
One. One.
So before third row, what are the columns are there? That will fetch. This is to work with named parameters.
Is there
In
any
real-time scenarios, we are going to use these conditions, named parameters in Hibernate. Yes, Guda, go ahead.
yeah, is there any, I mean, why it is taking third row?
Third, we inserted manual data in database, right? So this is the first way it is treating it.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, it
So
displayed
last time
the
we
rows.
display like this only, but it is showing, it is taking the first row because last time we inserted manually.
Okay.
So go into database and then set it manually. If you set the database properly, then you will be getting the data, proper data.
Oh, yeah.
The data. You can use the positional parameters and the named parameter combination in the query.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah. If you are using positional parameters, named parameters as part of the query, first all the positional parameters should be given and all the named parameters should be given. But first we should not give named parameter and then positional parameter. But in projects we never use positional parameters. In real-time projects we always use named parameters. Ascending order, descending order. What is ascending order? What is descending order? First we'll talk about ascending order. From employee where order by clause was there. Clause is there in to fetch the to order by What RW will do, Pavani?
It orders according to the parameter column what we have given. So suppose if you are giving order by inquiry, it will order according to that, either ascending or descending specifically.
Okay. Now if you run the application, what will happen? Which chart it will follow? Why there is no output? Exception creating employee object in DB employee is not mapped with from employee. Okay. See here, ordered. I'm ordered by HID employee ID, right?
Yeah.
First output is Chaitanya, and second one is Suguna, and third one is Pavani, and fourth one is Piyush. Rohit, your name is not there because you're not there in the class that time. So it is ascending order. Okay. Now if you want a descending order, just every logic is same. I'm just changing this query only. So you guys don't think I'm just copying and pasting it, because don't want to waste time on typing it. So we'll see descending order. Very, very important concept. Please concentrate. There is a class called as DESC. If you use DESC, automatically fetch the data from the sorting, descending order. First one is Piyush, second one is Pavani, third one is Suguna, fourth one is Setni. That is descending order. Okay. Please, any doubts so far? We use ascending and descending. We use some clauses called as ASC, DESC in Hibernate query language. Next point. Please underline DESC and please take this query. Anyway, you're not going to read the notes. You're not going to read the videos also. Please take these queries. I should prefer, I would like to prefer to take complete line code. Anyway, I'll show you the example. If there are 100 records, please write down, in the database, what is pagination concept basically? If you open a Gmail or if you open any of the websites, you open a Google, there will be thousands of record data will be displaying over there. I want to display the data from the first page, second page, So I want my email ID should be around 10 emails in my inbox or 20 emails. So like this. This is called as pagination. Now, if there are 100 records in the database, if there are 100 records in the database, if we require the result from 20th record to 30th record, like pagination concept. Now, in our database, we have 4 records. I want to implement the pagination concept as part of our application. Then I should go for a concept called as, first we need to set what is the first record and what is the maximum record.
4.
First we need to set what is first record, what is maximum record. So for the query dot set first result is 2, query dot set last result, maximum, max result is 3. Please write down, very important concept, these two methods. Query dot set first result, set maximum result we can use to set the data or to set the data to implement the pagination concept in Hibernate. Now if I run the application, Chaitanya and Peish. To implement the pagination concept, there are some techniques we are going to use as part of advanced Java concepts. That we'll talk about in advanced Java. Very important question. How to retrieve the unique queue results? Suppose in the database you will be getting 100 records, but I want to get only one unique queue record. To retrieve the unique queue results, we need to call a method unique queue result method query dot InQ result method. It returns a single instance that matches the query it return a null it will return a null if the query matches if the query returns no results. Suppose I have n number of data in the database. Can you quickly someone tell me insert query for this? I have Rohit, programmer, salaries 5. Again I have one more Rohit. His name is Rohit, but he is director. His salary is 100,000 consider 6. Here there are 2 Rohits we have in the database. We are trying to fetch the data we'll see what will happen. The InQ result method will return the object and I'm running the application. Null point exception because InQ method is returning null here. What will happen if return null value? What will happen if return null value? I don't already know. If return null value, query returns no results. No records in the database. But why no records are there? We'll try with a different query. So if there is only one record, there is a unique record, it will find out by using unique record method, unique result method. Okay. So everyone is clear with this so far? Hibernate query language. This is the way we can use Hibernate query languages. Different scenarios I covered. If anything is missed also, I want you to go through the concept of Hibernate query language. It's very important concept. Real-time scenarios, we are going to use coding like this. We are going to do the code like this. See, everything is, if you won't do assignments, it won't, you cannot learn anything. You have to do practice these examples. Manually type your example. If you read a by heart example, you cannot do anything. There is a concept called as criteria. What is criteria? We'll copy the same class and make it as a different class, make it as a criteria. Criteria test class. This is my criteria test class. Here, session dot, there is a method called as create criteria. Please write down. Session.create criteria. Inside this, I'm just going to pass it as the employee.class. That's it. That means internally, select star from employee. That's it. The create criteria method return type is, what is return type here?
Criteria.
Excellent. So criteria equal to session dot create criteria. Okay. Once we have criteria object, criteria dot, you can do whatever you want. List. So you know, right, how to return the data from the list object. By using for loop I can do, and or else by using iterator I can do it, right? This is the way I can do from iterator. So here instead of writing iterator object like this, in the place of iterator object, I can use directly criteria dot list dot iterator. So directly this object I can use it over here. I can reduce the concept, I can reduce the steps, or else I can use here also. Okay, now if you run the application, Pavani, Suguna, Chaitanya, Piyush, Rohit is not there because we are not done commit the changes. Now if I run the application, so Rohit also came into the picture now. So far clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So there are so many things we need to discuss on the criteria. I think this is more for you guys today. Any questions so far? Guys? Any questions?
No, Chetan.
Yeah. if I'm keep on telling, right,